name is Liza from Archon, Philippines. Introducing the LIUGONG 915E, where power, precision, and performance converge in perfect harmony. Let's dive into the remarkable features that make this machine a game changer in the world of construction. Under the hood is a reliable Cummins APA QSF 3.8 Tier 3 engine, turbocharged and ready to deliver an impressive 117 horsepower. With fuel consumption of 5 liters per hour for medium operations and 7.5 liters per hour for heavy operations. That's not just power, that's the driving force behind your construction projects. Fueling this powerhouse is a top-notch hydraulic system, featuring a Kawasaki pump from Japan, ensuring maximum pressure of 5,365 psi. With 2 variable displacement pumps, this machine guarantees stable pressure even during those long, demanding operations. Whether you're moving earth, gravel, or any materials on the job site, this bucket 0.6 capacity ensures you to get the job done in a single scoop. Reinforced with 0.75 metal steel plate, this bucket is not just strong, it's a real game changer, ready to tackle any job with unmatched durability. Speaking of durability, the boom and arm are crafted with precision. Using SWC 550H material, a low carbon content steel, that's your assurance of high strength and unwavering durability. With a 4,600mm standard boom and 2,500mm standard arm, this machine is ready to take on any challenge. Operating at 13,800 kilograms, it's a heavyweight in the world of construction. With its built-in breaker line, expanding your capabilities at a moment's notice. Cruising with a track length of 3,746mm and a chassis width of 2,490mm, it's equipped with 7 bottom rollers on each side and 1 top roller on each side for added stability. The track shoe, consisting of 45 pieces, spans 500mm in width on each side, ensuring a smooth and sturdy ride. Step inside the cabin, designed with your comfort and safety in mind. It's ergonomic, spacious, and it's your command center for seamless operation. The IPC system integrates mechanical, electrical, and hydraulic system, leading to high efficiency, fuel savings, and exceptional control ability. It's not just power, it's about control. And let's talk about conquering heights. With a gradability of 35 degrees, these machines climb steep slopes with ease. Maintenance is a breeze, accessing the oil filters inside and outside. Air filters has never been simpler. LIUGONG 915E, where power, precision, and performance unite. Choose innovation. Choose LIUGONG.